Bro, me I go live for my backup page. Me I go live for my back. Me I be honest with you, Swiss. Me I go do one little more shopping. But when me I go do, when me go down there, me not really want to talk. When me I go do,
yeah.
Me I go down there. Me I go video when me have video, bro. Cause maybe me and you can come together and help one person build back them house. Even a mother with them pitney, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
So, make us see, I would have used that, because I don't really want them give me that donation there yet. Till we go find a mother with even 1, 3, 4 pitney with homeless, bro.
Yeah.
Buy some zinc, some sheet, some you know what? 2 by 4 before and all of them little thing there. And build up our house, you see it? So, make we just use that donation here when we get, because I don't really want to collect more money and deal with the food. You see, the nether one we I get, we just go down there and build back Smaddy house, bro.
Alright.
That's what I say. So respect for that in a Swiss.
Alright,
you don't know what my brother.
Just let me know, bro.
And I place me the Swiss dogs.
We there for your life, bro.
Alright then, my brother.
No problem. Man, I watch you do it.
Alright, my bro, no problem. So that I plan. Me da go call you and tell you, about. Me I go connect you, bro.
Alright, bro. Cool.
Yeah, man, my brother.
Cool.
Excellent. Yeah, man, my people. I that me did a plan for them. Me never ready for talk it yet. Because me I go get in some more support and sponsor. So when me I say to you say, me never really want uno oversend no money. You see what me I say? So what me I go do, me I go get somebody, one mother with even 5, 4, 3 pitney. Where our house blow down, me get some ply and something. Even one family of 5, you see it, build back a 1, 2 bedroom board house back for them, bro. You see it, and get back the people and fix back a roof or something, you see it. So, you don't have to know, you know, because me hear enough people say, Akeam, too much food, and ply. But when me can do it 500,000, as you spend 500,000 buy 2 ply and 2 board, it done. That alone buy ply. You see it, so people, Jamaica is very expensive. I don't want to hear about $500,000 and things says a truckload of money, you know. You see what I say? So, I never want to look for when Ramesh them do it. You see when them and Beanie Man them go down there with 125 million them to build up couple house and you know. So even if we have built somebody board house, even 600,000-700,000, that are just one person. You see it? You know, comfortably. Well, as me know, even for pay man and them thing there. Me no know, me no want to go on no estimate, but me just say, we can go and feed 1 and 2 person, and then we get somebody, you see it, somebody lucky, and we help build up them place. You see it, them bring down TikTok the wickedest over here, and we are going to come and show and say, we can make a change. You see what I say? Because enough time on a be TikToker, and we do something where not even artists them do, brother. Because no for my favorite artist, I never see come out and help people, bro. I tell you no. You always beat the TikToker them, bro. And the TikToker them are first person for jump up come help. Anytime nothing go on, I always see it. Other from Ramesh, the TikToker them are they always for jump up and gather up certain things and help people. But you see just through the things that we make a bunch load of money over here, the whole on come make video and bring me down. I tell you, at the rich old veteran artists them alone are help out people here. Mama tell you that from now. The rich old veteran artists them like Shaggy them, Buju them and Cartel them. Them look normal artists here we make them look millions of dollars. Them not help out nothing. I tell you no. So understand it then. At every moment and at them wanna big up and every moment to get. On the whole TikToker and beat them and a TikToker mostly. Even if I beg, we beg and get it. We still get it and do it, bro. Because no fun can beg and get it and have on a platform and not do it. On use on a platform for bring down people. On go away and go suck on the mama. No man, I have to run them with some time, man. On use on a platform for come make a voice or help, you know. phone platform when you come here to come bring down TikTok and tear down people. No go away and allow we alone. I'm in a business, I say what I say. Yes, what I say, I'm not take it back. I don't know lie me I tell bro. I don't know lie me I tell bro. When I never yet soon dip on your storm and go on Jamaica people. When if you can't donate to Jamaica help out, no. The only thing they on the mind are who so cocky, fuck, body, so pussy, who for business are spoil, who they with who. No, not interested with nothing for the country. You see, it's a storm there, and the more they come for bring down people more than say, yo, disaster going on the country now, the airport. A real thing, bro. If you TikTok them beg, just even beg for come and help you. I beg them beg for your living, you know. I beg, we beg for your living, because I don't want to live for myself. I beg, we beg for your living, you know. So if we can even beg for some people can get help and who not no vice, we beg for them. I want them to know. You not using a platform for come talk about them thing there. You never yet using a platform come big up nobody, bro. You always disgrace, but just show. I'm going to tell you something. You see, just show a troller and use them to get views and money off of we. Where you say a TikToker will work list, I will go sit down and will look work. Our name feed on, yeah? I'm going to tell you that. Our name. Because when you make a video them, you get paid for them. You see it? But you can't say nothing positive about it, because it now go fucking sell. You can't say nothing positive because it now get no views and it now go sell. Yeah. It have to be negative. Yeah, man, bro. No, man, me just tell them. Because, bro, let's look on it. Yeah, so when we are do good, and not even we are do good, but not even want acknowledgement. But some people will rather use them platform come bring we down more than say, yo, people at Jamaica want help, you know.
No, I just realized I'm recognizing from bro. Respect, you know. Oh, you did deal with the situation when I sleep on TikTok?
Yeah.
But you did that fuck up still, but you deal with it like a general.
Easy now, my bro. Big up yourself, you know. I cangle them, the box them.
Okay. 2 13 and them.
Okay, wifey. Big up.
Ready now? $7,000 and then $4.
Hold on, I'm sure no that cause them love beat me over here, you know.
Really care video screen.
Me not video screen. Yeah, man, I just the price. So people, a 440. No man, this are 200. I spent 207 grand yesterday. Yeah. So me so surprising come spend about the same money today. You see what I say? So, wanna know it go. We have some more money can spend, people. We have some more money can spend. When I get the water yet and the noodles. Yeah. Water and the noodle. What else? I not get something else. Something missing. No, I not buy the complex. Soap, yeah, the rag, I buy soap and I forget some case of toothbrush. So them they missing. Hey, 500,000, you know. We have like $80,000 left, you know. And ketchup and them something there. I have instant tea. What? Boxes are instant tea and beer things, man. So how much chali this? It's a one. It's a one how much chali there. This are two of my chali then. This are three of the chali then. This is 4. This is 5 and that is 6. A 6? Oh, a 5. Yeah, a 6 man. 1, 2. So people, let me show you now. We have more things to buy, you know, but we have left early. You see? Why another box here?
The instant, the box I go out, you put things.
Oh, the things them I go. Alright. So I see the things then. Yeah man, I have all of them something there. Toiletries and them thing. Toothpaste. And the water and the thing them more. Yo, you know say better if you get one truck down there, you know things so or them not gonna have the truck. Get a truck where people have bathing water and them little thing there. You see it would pay for your truck down there. So this is how the thing looks. Second day. Twiggy, the gas station lock. Oh no, Jabba's not answer him phone. Oh no, Jabba's not answer him phone. So when we reach down there, Jabba's, the gas station bay lock. I live near now, a time for me move out. Our Max there. Max really outside a smoke, you know. Me a card, two of them. I can use my card, how much? 2.7, I use my card. You know, so, yeah man, I use the card. But him have my card.
Him call Max.